So if you know the young lady, you know if she knows how to switch it up. Lila Ike is starting off Band Wednesday with Biggest Fan.
Oh yes, and we say smile Jamaica. How can I tell ya? No, I'm a little bit. I'ma for tell you I'm a little thing. I had said, my mama, papa, hey, you think a little bit I had said, my mama, papa. She said, put down that DJ thing, yeah. I just your book, my want you take up. Cause every day you just make beer nice. More while, my want you shut up. You feel like no producer boy. I carry you a studio go lock up. Now she's my biggest fan. Love you, my number one. Words of a queen. That's everything what for my mama said to me. She's still my biggest fan. Won't see your face when you hear this, you one. Words of a queen, mama. And me tell you about a Lila where the studio door, you know me woulda never reached the day. For mama say, if me do it, she go beat me, yeah. That never keep me away, because me done did have the drive. One day in my room, me there, I sing a tune, but a nice piece of beat. Me say, the people them a tell me how me sound sweet. Mama walk in and hear it. Say she need a one up on her playlist. My biggest fan, love you, my number one. Words of a queen, that's everything what for my mama said to me. Oh yes, she's still my biggest fan. Won't see the face when she hear this one. Words of a queen, mama. And it was no debate. When a time for we get up and go wash out the plate. You know say yo, we wouldn't put a foot through the gate before we read a psalm. Preferably 23 or 98. She said go and hold the faith. If I this me really want, then put your first and elevate. So on everything she said, me still there, yeah, I celebrate. Oh mom, you see that one, yeah. But why you know say for you, me sing that song, yeah. My biggest fan. Love you, my number one. Words of a queen. That's everything what from my mama said to me. If you love your mother, sing it with me. Biggest fan. Won't see her face when she hear this one. Words of a queen, mama. Ever since I was a little teeny weeny tot, me always dream for write a tune and circulate them up. So everybody start to ask who for that you hear say I for cherry, the one we never talk a lot. See in my heart, love for mom, I really have a lot. I hope she knows that this is just a starter pack. And me give thanks every single time. She usually beating those words of divine. My biggest fan. Love her, my number one. Words of a queen, smile Jamaica. Way, yeah. I tell you, say she's my biggest fan. Love her, my number one. Words of a queen. Yeah, she's still my biggest fan. Love her, my number one. Words of a queen, mama. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Cherry, you're still my biggest fan. Me say me love you, you're my number one. Words of a queen.
Voices of Queens. Lila.
Yeah, yeah.
Ike. You sound good.
So, you know, said the backup singer is our makeup artist. Didn't know she could sing. But I still don't know, to be honest, because she's not that wicked. She's an outstanding makeup artist, and she is an outstanding singer. And she's here with Lila. What you going to do now? Gotti Gotti?
Yep.
Here they are once again.
Oh, yes. Them gotti gotti and them ever want. Oh, yes. So what you know, no? You gotti gotti yet you ever want. Who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. When you gotti gotti but you ever want. Yeah. And we say who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Hey, some of them have it in a pile and a stack it till it while. No think about the child, we can't even wear a smile. Much less a little shirt, feet a best friend with the dirt. Sell him out before him born, no him, no even know him worth. Hey, can't afford figure breeding and no college. Him no even bother seek the need for that the knowledge. What kind of nation builder tell me how we ma go manage when you tell him resume soft like porridge. You gotti but you ever want. And we say who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Smile Jamaica, I tell you, say them have it already, get them ever want. And we say who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Hey, listen, you should be blessed, cause we chilling in the west. Cut unnecessary stress, put your mind to the test. You, Mr. Man, load the people with the land. No, you no fear get shunned when him stretching out him hand. Cause I no understand you want civil man and woman. Wouldn't even give a chance at education. And when you're flossing with your bloody money round the nation, remember Jah no sleep when him a run creation, boy. But you ever want. And we say who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Lord have mercy, hey, have it already, but you ever want. And we say who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Hey, give me a mix then now. Boom, you see we grow up in a city where the reality presented isn't really there. Open up your mind and you will see it clear. Then prepare for your life before you reach here. It only exists cause you're not satisfied. Save your little money, no buy into no lie. The bag of bank come for tie. Fool you up by interest and them limit you supply. Why? Hey, you gotti but you ever want. And we say who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Lord have mercy, them have it already, but them ever want. And we say who no really have it. I know a cartel would I say, hey, emergency, we are so far round here. Round here, man, a dead thing stuff around here. Hey, I tall up, man, I go for round here. Miss a man, where you doing to the guitar? Because a two-party, you're not the same sad song them a play. Poor people, money lean back a rock away. Them raise everything from mile to crave near. So why them no raise up Smile Jamaica pay? Hey, I tell you why them no raise up everybody pay. Me say ya just because, hey, them gotti but them ever want. And we say who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Oh yes, I say you got it already, but you ever want. And we say who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Who no really have it, tell me where them a go do now. Tell me where them a go do now. Ooh, baby told me that he's leaving today. Him can't take the stress. My baby told me that he's going away. Same bound for find the best. I told him I'm the best that's out there. He said that he no longer cares. Baby, please beg me up for beg him just a second chance. Can we fall in love like we did before? Can I show you how much I adore you, babe? Come and make me fall in love. Know you love the style, especially the rubber dub. Can we fall in love like we did before? Love ain't perfect, so much that we've been through, giving up ain't worth it. So come make we get stronger in love. Tell you said the loving where we have no it no normal. It's sent from above. You fill up my life with love. No other ever touch me like you do, boo boo boo. So just fall, forget it all, and baby make we fall in love once more. Fall in love like we did before. Oh baby, show you how much I adore you, babe. Come and make me fall in love. Know you love the style. Oh yes, you Mr. Rubber Dub. Fall in love like we did before. Happier times in this nostalgic state of mind. No one for worry if another lady. You giving your time. You gave me your heart, I held it like a dime. Why now you're giving me back mine? And when we spoke of thick and thin, we were preparing for these days. Have to seek comfort in each other's faith. In this love we got, tell me what you're speaking of. Leaving what? No, I don't believe in that. So can we fall in love like we did before? Can I show you how much I adore you, babe? Come here, make we fall in love. But know you love the style. Oh yes, you Mr. Rubber Dub. Fall in love like we did before. Fall in love.
Has been blessing us this morning with her beautiful ensemble. Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Listen, you have such a beautiful voice.
Thank you.
Thank you for blessing us.
You're welcome.
To give me a little bit about you.
I am a musician.
Yes.
Obviously. I love to sing. I love to create music. I love to just hold a vibe with people who share the same sentiments, you know, as I do. And I just love to make people feel good.
Tell us about your ensemble.
Yes, so you have Genius, who is actually, he went to high school with me. I did not know that he was a musician up until, you know, I moved to Kingston and we linked up, and he's so good, you know, advancing and everything. And you don't know you have the great Shaq. Everybody knows Shaq. Big percussionist, you know. And Tiffany, who I also met when I moved to Kingston. Beautiful singer and person in general.
You keep speaking about moving to Kingston. Where do you come from?
Oh, I come from Manchester.
You know, you do have that country girl feel. I mean, it's nice though. Nice and cool feel.
Yeah, man.
And you sound so cool, melodious and calm.
Yeah, man, that's a vibe, you know.
Yeah, so where are we taking the career now?
Well, to the top, you know. I just want to get better as a person, as a musician. It's just growth.
How many songs do you have recorded?
Recorded or released.
Ooh, recorded. Let's start with recorded.
Recorded quite a few, professionally and otherwise. I mean, sometimes I'll just get a vibe at home and I'll record myself. So a lot.
Okay, and how many released?
I have 3 singles released, and I have 3 songs that I was featured on.
How can we support you?
You can support me by listening to the songs. You know, I have music out on Spotify, iTunes, all of the, you know, the musical social media platforms. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It's Lila Ike, that's Lila Ike for Twitter, and just Lila Ike and everything else.
And we can book you for performances.
Yes, for performances, it's lilaikemusic@gmail.com, and music is spelled with a K.
Just so you know.
Yeah.
Tiffany, it's good to see you. We have to tell them normally Tiffany's doing my makeup, and she's a big singer. Now, normally I bomb the band.
Yeah.
You know, every Wednesday.
Okay.
But the
so
way
sing for us.
I'm gonna sing one line and then take it to the break because you're gonna close the show. Give me something, no man. Just take it easy, no. Okay, let me find my voice.
With the most beautiful singers that we've had on this stage in a while, these ladies just make me want to smile. You know why? So much trouble in the world. People dying everywhere. Everywhere is war. War in the east, war in the west. But you ladies make me smile. You're simply the best.
MP Sineem, we are out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be here tomorrow with Dela, but I'll stop chat because I want to hear some music. MP, come MP.
Bye. Love you all. Book her. Call her.
Yes, book me for everything. Oh yes, oh yes, yes. It was such a pleasure to be here. Blessings and light. Oh yes. No, I no little bit. I'm gonna tell you I no little thing. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, you think a little bit ahead said for Mama Papa? She said put down the DJ thing there. I just you book Mama, you take up. Cause every day you just make beer nice. Sometimes I want you shut up. You feel like no producer boy. I carry you a studio go lock up. Smile Jamaica, she's my biggest fan. Love her, my #1. Words of a queen. That's everything what Mama Cherry said to me. Oh yes, yes, my biggest fan.